guys, welcome back to Beyond the Limits. Today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to do a Firebird.
First, you are going to work on kicking back. So your arms are going to shoot back up while your leg is going to kick back. So just keep practicing this and you'll get the hang of it. Next, you are going to run into that kick. Now run into the kickback with a jump. Make sure you are jumping more for height instead of distance. Now working on jumping on a plie. This is what a plie looks like. In a plie, my feet will be pointing outwards and my heel will be touching the middle part of my other foot. Jump into the plie and with the back leg kick back. Now run into the plie and kick back. Once you got the hang of it, go ahead and apply a jump. I hope you learned your Firebird.
Anyways guys, that's a wrap for the video. I hope you learned your Firebird, and if you did, subscribe, like the video, turn on the post notifications to make sure to stay beyond the limits.